Hello everyone, welcome back to DelStack Tutorials. Today I'll show you how to create hanging indent on your slides. Go to your slide and select the text box you want to format. For this tutorial, I am using a sample text. Highlight the text inside the text box. On the Home tab, click the small arrow in the Paragraph section. This will open the Paragraph Settings window. Under Indentation, set the left indent value, for example, to 0.5. Now open the special dropdown and select Hanging. You can also adjust spacing options like before, after, and line spacing. Once you're done, click OK to apply the hanging indent. If needed, you can adjust the line spacing, for example, by selecting 1.5. That's how you can create a hanging indent in PowerPoint. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.